Guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on the application of CapCut. We go to settings here in this page. In this list, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about CapCut app. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.